Hello there, welcome to Lightning in a Bottle. This is the tutorial where we'll show you how to properly handle and shoot raw bolts of lightning. My name's Kurt.
And my name's Ian. Don't try this at home, kids. We're professionals. Kind of.
So let's get started with the first step, getting the lightning. Ian, would you please retrieve the bottle from the tree?
Gotcha. You're one insane nut job, my friend.
Oh yeah. Alright, to properly intake your lightning, you must keep both feet planted firmly on the ground, and in a swift motion, remove the lid and gulp.
Pass some of that over here, man.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. When the lightning goes into the body, it moves at an extreme rate, which is normal.
My girlfriend cannot compete with this feeling, man.
Alright, before long, the power will settle and the jitters will stop. And then you'll be able to condense and focus. Oh, look at those sparks.
When you master the skills, kids, you'll be able to make it jump around like we do.
Oh, amazing. Alright. Are you ready to begin the first strategy?
We're ready.
Technique number 1. The jumper cable, sending a bolt from one person to another. The palm jumble, balancing a steady bolt between two hands.
Raid to Ningu, because this is our video and we can do what we want.
The eye sparks, ironically, don't cause blindness.
The Palpatine, the name speaks for itself. Unlimited power.
The worm hopper, the bolt that jumps to its target. The hula hoop, it's all in the hips. And that's our video. Thank you very much for watching. We hope you've learned something.
We greatly appreciate it. Remember, use safety goggles when you actually try this out.
If you feel so daring. And don't forget to like and subscribe because I post new stuff all the time.
We need the YouTube money to feed our children.
Now speak for yourself. Thank you very much and have a good one.